Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlite, a source of diamond. Today we are going to see an important scholarship sponsored by Edisil India Limited, a mini Ratna category, that is the public sector company of Government of India. Edisil scholarship scheme for B or BTech student for the year 2021 and the year 2021. Now, those who already got the admission in the engineering, B or BTech, for them, this is the scholarship. And this is the last date will be there. So you have to be hurry and you have to fill this particular scholarship where you can get 1 lakh, up to 1 lakh rupees scholarship. EDSIL scholarship scheme for the B or BTech, B and BTech students uh, for the year 2021 and year 2021. I am Dr. Sajid Undekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKI, Pune College of Arts, Science, Commerce, Camp Pune, Maharashtra, India. It is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, that is SPPU Pune, and formerly it is known as University of Pune. Yes, let's start the EDSIL scholarship scheme for the BE or BTech students, and this scholarship will be given. See the detail which are there for the financial year. It is 2021 and year 2021, and the starting date is 19/7. Just it has been started, and the validity is up to the last date is there 25th. So today we have the 25th July 2021, and the scholarship amount will be given as 1 lakh rupees. So here the minimum qualification criteria is there that it should be the applicant should be have a 50% marks in class 10 and 50% marks in class 12. So that is the 50% is the criteria for 10th as well as 12th, the mark sheets. So those who have been pass out from the 10th and 12th, they should be from the recognized board. Remember, that is a very important part. And the course detail, that is, it is for the undergraduate B or BTech student, and the course name is B or BTech, and in that the course name is B Chemical Engineering. Yes, this will be the next one for the name course name is B Chemical Engineering, and the BCE, that is the Bachelor of Civil Engineering. So here it will be given for the B Chemical Engineering and B Civil Engineering, and all genders, girls as well as boys, can apply for this scholarship, and skill available to the students whose family income is less than 5 lakh rupees. That is the second important criteria. So here those who are there in the civil engineering as well as chemical engineering, they can go for this scholarship. So again, I have been repeated this detail, that starting date and last date. So last date is 25th July. So you have to be hurry. Now I have been added over here the what are the questions. That is the this scholarship is there for B and BT courses under the scheme any engineering B or B code course. Yes, that is there. So which mandatory documents are required? Applicant's photo, address proof ID, education certificate, that is 10th and 12th mark sheet, income certificate of, issued by from the government authorities, then admission letter, or you have been give the fee receipt, then the bank passbook. These are the essential one, and you have to have the compulsory bank account. Otherwise, the whatever you are going to get approved the scholarship, it will not be refund, or it will be not been remitted in your account. So you have a account, and there will be a preference will be given for ST and NT, ST and NT caste. If any uh, if the parents are if anyone's applicants is parent is been working in EDSIL, then they are not eligible for applying for this scholarship. Yes, the annual income that we have been seeing, the 5 lakh rupees. Here the students designed for student pursuing engineering course like B or BTech, and this scheme is not applicable for the EDU scholarship and their children. That one by one see the document which are required, the proof of address, uh, proof of identity, that is passports, whatever we have the identity, that is the, you have the PAN card, Aadhaar card, or driving license, bank passbook, 10, 12, or if you're going from the diploma. From there, the diploma mark sheet is also required, and the current year fee receipt, and that will be showing you the tuition fee and non-tuition fees. Applicant's photograph is required, income certificate, admission letter, because once you have been going through the your cap, so you'll get the admit letter. If you don't have, then bona fide certificate. All these documents has to be uploaded in to be a very high, clear, a high density resolution, and it should be in JPG format or PNG format, no PDF format. So for this particular EDIL scholarship, you have to be contact the person from this portal, that is the Vidya Sarthi portal is there, and from there the person who has been appointed is the Dheeraj, who is looking for this particular scholarship. So we have to have the contact address is there, that support@vidyasarthi.co.in. Similar one, if we have any grievances or queries are there, you can write down to vidyasarthi@nsdl.co.in. Is this is what we have the website, https://www.vidyasarthi.co.in. You can go on that portal and you can register over there. That is the login over here and sign up. So this is what we have. The NSDL portal of Vidya Sarthi is there. So on that you have to go, and these are the pages are there, login and sign up. So login, and from there you have to apply for this particular scholarship, that is EDSIL scholarship. Just you have to click over here, apply. So your application goes over there for this particular scholarship. So I hope this will be clear. This is the short time is there, because hardly 1 week is given, and I have seen today itself. So I thought this will be an important scholarship, because 1 lakh rupees is given in this scholarship, and those who are eligible one, they can apply immediately. Don't waste your time. Thank you. Have a nice day.